Dear second year students, in previous session we have seen tumors of the orbit. Now we will see the tumors of the retina. Retinoblastoma. Retinoblastoma is a malignant tumor on the retina, the light sensing part of the eye, and is highly curable if treated early. That means retinoblastoma is a malignant tumor on the retina, and light sensor part of the eye, it is called the retina, and it will be highly curable if you have able to treat it early. Retinoblastoma occurs most often in children 5 years and under. It rarely occurs in adults. That means retinoblastoma will be occurs mainly in children 5 years and under 5 years or under the 5 years. Causes of retinoblastoma: rapidly growing cells in the eye. Rapidly growing cells in the eye, that is called the retinoblast, will eventually mature and form the retina. The light sensing part of the eye, that is located in the back of the eye. That means the main cause is the rapidly growing the cells in the eye. That is called the retinoblast. Symptoms of retinoblastoma: redness will be there, eye pain will be there, then pupil will be constantly dilated. Stages of retinoblastoma: intraocular retinoblastoma. Intraocular, that means inside the eye. It has not yet spread to tissue outside of the eye. That means it is not spreading the tissues outside the it is not spreading to tissues which are situated outside of the eye. Second one, extraocular retinoblastoma, outside the eye. That means this type of cancer has spread outside of the eye or the other parts of the body. That means it's spreading outside of the eye or to other parts of the body. Recurrent retinoblastoma. Recurrent means again and again. The cancer has come back or spread in the eye or to other parts of the body after being treated. Okay. Intraocular means inside the eye, and it is not spread to tissues outside of the eye. And extraocular retinoblastoma, that means outside the eye, and this cancer spread outside of the eye and other parts of the body. Recurrent retinoblastoma, that means again and again this will come back or spread in the eye or other parts of the body after being treated. Diagnostic evaluation: MRI, CT scan, bone scans, spinal tap, that means lumbar puncture, and bone marrow test. Management: enucleation. Enucleation means surgery to remove the entire eye and part of the optic nerve. It is a surgery to remove the entire eye and part of the optic nerve. Photocoagulation: a laser is used to kill blood vessels that feed the tumor. जो ट्यूमर को लेकर चल रही हैं वो ब्लड वेसल्स को किल करना लेजर थेरापी के थ्रू. क्रायोथेरापी: by involving the freezing of the tumor with the help of special probe on the external surface of the eye. That means sclera. That means इसमें हम लोग क्रायोथेरापी में फ्रीज कर देते हैं ट्यूमर को एक स्पेशल प्रोब के थ्रू on the external surface of the eye. Chemotherapy we are using, then localized plaque radiation therapy, then external beam radiation therapy we have to use for the treatment of tumors of retina. Care of patient with ocular tumors. First, preoperative care. Under preoperative care, we have to take the all the records. Then visual acuity test we have to do. Then we have to check the degree of ptosis. That means drooping of the eyelid. ठीक है, that means drooping of the upper eyelid due to paralysis disease or congenital condition. फिर leg ophthalmos. Leg ophthalmos means होता है inability to close the eyelids completely. Then proptosis, pupillary and extraocular muscle functions. These all things we have to see under the preoperative care. Under the intraoperative care, we have to educate to allow for sufficient exposure of the operative site. Okay, जितना हो सके हमें उतना कम से कम एक्सपोज करना है ऑपरेटिव साइट को. देन डू नॉट मैनिपुलेट द प्रेशर ऑन द ग्लोब कंप्रेसिंग वेस्कुलर फ्लो. दैट मीन्स हमको कोई भी मैनिपुलेशन मतलब अपनी ओर से कोई कंप्रेशन नहीं देना है वेस्कुलर फ्लो के लिए. ठीक है, प्रेशर को हमको इंक्रीज नहीं करना है. अंडर द पोस्ट ऑपरेटिव केयर द पेशेंट मस्ट बी असेस्ड. मीन्स इसमें हम लोग क्या असेस करेंगे विथ रिगार्डिंग टू विजन. ब्लीडिंग इज देयर और एनी पेन इज देयर. ओके, एंड पेन में भी वेरिएबल. पेन को उसको हम लोग सहन कर पाएंगे, मतलब ये नॉर्मली इतना ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. दर्द अगर होता भी है तो उसको हम सहन कर लेते हैं. अगर इफ देयर इज वॉमिटिंग एंड नोजिया विल बी अकर्स, देन we have to provide it by the help of doctor's order. Okay, if patient is having pain or any nausea, any discomfort or vomiting, we have to inform to doctors, and by the doctor's order we have to administer the medications. Treatment must be given to avoid this and decrease venous pressure. And this treatment is given to decrease the venous pressure because increased venous pressure can cause orbital congestion. That means a state of being congested and lead to compression of the optic nerve. Okay, because of increasing venous pressure, this will cause orbital congestion and that may lead to compress to the optic nerve. जोर डालेगा उस पर. ठीक है. Now I am going to summarize this topic. Tumors of the retina. Retinoblastoma. Retinoblastoma, it is a malignant tumors, and this light sensing part of the eye is called the retina. And if we treat it earlier, it will be cured easily. And retinoblastoma occurs mainly to children under 5 years or 5 years children. The cause of retinoblastoma, rapidly growing of the cells in the eye, that is called the retinoblastoma, retinoblast. Symptoms of retinoblast: pain will be there, redness will be there, and pupil is constantly dilated. Stages of retinoblast: intraocular retinoblast. In this, the tissue is not in this the cancer will not be spread to tissues of the outside of the eye. Extraocular retinoblastoma, that means outside the eye, and this is spreading outside of the eye and also other parts of the body. Recurrent retinoblastoma, that means recurrent means again and again. This cancer has come back or spreading in the eye or the other parts of the body after being treated. Diagnostic evaluation: MRI scan, CT scan, bone scan, spinal tap or lumbar puncture and bone marrow test. Management: enucleation, that means surgical removal of the entire eye and part of optical nerve. Photocoagulation means with the help of laser therapy kill the blood vessels which are feeding the tumors. Cryotherapy, it's involved the freezing of the tumor with the help of special probe on the surface of the external surface of the eye. Then chemotherapy we have to provide, then localized plaque radiation therapy, then external beam radiation therapy we have to provide. Care of patient with ocular tumors, we have seen preoperative care. Under the preoperative care, documentation of visual acuity we have to need. Then we have to see the degree of ptosis. Ptosis means drooping of the upper eyelid due to paralysis or disease or a congenital condition. Then leg ophthalmos, that means inability to close the eyelids completely. Okay, these we have to see. And now under the intraoperative care we have seen we have to allow for sufficient exposure of operative site and do not manipulate it to put undue pressure on the glow, compressing vascular flow. Post-operative care, under the post-operative care we are assessing regarding the vision, bleeding and pain. If there is any pain, if there is any vomiting, nausea feeling, we have to inform to doctors, and according to doctor's order we have to administer the medications to the patient. Okay, and this treatment is given because to reduce the venous pressure. Increased venous pressure that can cause orbital congestion. Orbital congestion may lead to compression of the optic nerve. Okay. So today we have seen tumors topic. First session we have seen, in the first session we have seen tumors of the eyelids. In second session we have seen tumors of the orbit. Third session we have seen tumors of the retina and care of patient with ocular tumors. And in second session we have seen the tumors of the conjunctiva. Okay, remember that. First we have seen the tumors of the eyelid. Second we have seen the tumors of the conjunctiva. Third we have seen the tumors of the orbit. And fourth we have seen the tumors of the retina and care of patient with ocular tumors. Okay, I hope you all understood. Thank you.